Welcome to another episode of Watch Once Over. My name is Big E. Here's a special treat. This is the Seiko Laurel limited edition anniversary model. This has an enamel dial, suggested retail price of $1,800, and this is the SPB359. Has a 6R27 movement, and this is celebrating 110 years of Seiko doing watchmaking. This watch is simply fantastic. It has a limited run of 2,500 pieces, and this is available right now at azfinetime.com. The leader in special edition Seikos. If you're interested in this watch, contact those guys immediately. We don't have too many of these, but we do have enough for the lucky few who act right away. Now, this 6R27 movement, let's get right into that movement. This is a 28,800 vibrations per hour movement. That's right, it's 4 hertz, not 3 hertz. It's not 21,000, it's 28,000. Just to let you know. Now, this has blued leaf style hands that are beautiful, and look at that beautiful enamel dial. Look how this shines. When I turn it at this angle, you almost get that porcelain-like feel, but this is an enamel dial. It's very special, very clean looking, and those of you who own enamel dial watches, you know they are something special to behold. These are kill-fired dials. They take very long to make. It is a process, and you must be a very skilled craftsman when you're making these watches. Now, this particular watch has blued hands. You have a power reserve over here at 9 o'clock. I'll show you that moving right there. Really butter smooth winding on this one. You have a radial date at 6 o'clock. And then the other two hands, of course, your leaf style hour. Well, actually cathedral type almost leaf style hour hand, and then more of a leaf style minute hand, and then you just have that blued arrow second hand. Now, under the red 12, which designates that Laurel heritage, of course, you have Seiko printing, Presage, and automatic. And then this case has the sort of like old school wire style lugs on these little bells, and you have a special deerskin. This is deerskin strap that goes with this. Let's take a look at this one right here. That's a deerskin strap on there. It's a cool strap, and I'll measure that and tell you how thick this strap is, but this strap is just so soft and supple. It's pretty cool. You have this cool little buckle on here. I don't know what these straps are called, but it does remind me of an old aeronautical militaristic theme type NATO strap. As you can see, this little baby buckle puts the head of the watch on there, and I think that's pretty cool. I'm going to unbuckle this so we can try to get a look at the back of the watch. There you go. Okay, now these are going to be numbered limited edition watches. As you can see, this is number 1275 of 2500, 5-bar water resistance. And as you can see, it's also sapphire crystal. So that is pretty nice. You have this nice large onion style crown, and I'll measure that for you too. And these lugs on here is real nice. This has a really nice vintage vibe and feel. And I've never seen another watch configured like this before in my life, actually. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's different. You want something different in your collection, something unique, this would definitely be it. Nice stitching on the strap. Like I said before, it's deerskin, so it's really soft and supple. Seems like it needs no break-in period at all. That's what it feels like. And then you have this sort of pocket watch style case on here. And of course you get a sapphire crystal with a nice dome. And of course this watch is not going to share the cases with anything. So that's another point of collectability. This is going to be the only one like that. Nice onion style crown. Let me measure that because this has some of the smoothest winding I've ever felt. It's almost 7 millimeters, 6.8. The watch is going to be 16 millimeters thick, but that is with the strap. And then the lug on this watch is going to be only 39. But where the strap breaks at, I want to say, as you can see right there, it's about a 41. Okay. And then the watch has a diameter 37.5 mil. So this watch is going to fit just about everybody. I'm going to try this on my wrist. The watch doesn't carry any lume or anything. And that's what it looks like on my wrist. There's your down the barrel shot. And that's what it looks like on my wrist. My wrist is 7.25 inches. And this actually just looks fantastic. And this is a super comfortable fit. I like it. And this is going to be your limited edition Laurel. Wow. 110th year of watchmaking for Seiko. This is a very limited watch. I don't know how many people is going to have this watch. Contact azfinetime.com if you are interested. As you can see, another unique piece on the watch once over. Please subscribe. My name is Big E. Visit azfinetime.com. I'll leave a link directly to this watch. It's available right now to be mailed out or picked up. My name is Big E. That's the watch once over for today. God bless. Please subscribe. And as usual, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.